Welcome to this video blog around business cooperation in the digital economy and connected world. We hope you enjoy it. You succeeded. You managed to agree with another company to start cooperating in order to reach common business objectives or business objectives for you and as well as for the other company. So you have an agreement, it's signed, and now you start your first common project for a first launch. And this is quite critical, because if you just sign an agreement and then nothing happens, many people will wonder, what's this? Why do we do this? So a first launch and a common project is very good, because then it helps you to start focusing and start to learn how to work together. And you need to create teams from both sides, and you need to align them. And it's recommended that you have different roles in the teams, because there are different matters that needs to be resolved within your company, as well as between your company and the company you're working with. And you need to create the business collaterals that you need in order to support your teams out in the field, so that they can talk about this and show. And you also need, of course, if there is a transaction that is going to be take place when you sell things, that there is a business flow, as well as for any support issues and so on. And you also need to have escalation paths. Who is going to talk to whom when you have a challenge? Because you don't want that your customers will be suffering because you haven't solved how you should resolve things if there is a misunderstanding and so on. So this is very important. Set up the relationship and use a first common product to a first launch to get teams from both sides start to working in order to create this. And if you need advice, there are companies that can help you in how you create teams, and also how you support you in the creation of business flows, as well as the escalation paths. Hope you enjoyed this video blog. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us at contact@handsonbusinesscooperation.com. Thank you.